And stock nerds. This is Conquering Crypto Monday afternoon. I got a brand new microphone. I'm pretty happy about that. I have a new video camera coming, new webcam, not video cam. I have a new webcam coming tomorrow. Gonna play around with that. Up in this production value, you know what I'm saying? I got some stuff I want to go over. Definitely gonna check out some things today. We're gonna go over some things that we did not too long ago, and just go over some stuff. As always, I am DeMarco. I am your host. If you want to reach me on TradingView, Conquering Crypto TradingView. If you want to reach me on my main page, that's Facebook, Conquering Crypto. Come and join us. Everybody gets approved, and we just try to help each other out. That's the whole point of the channel. If you want to tip me, Venmo, Conquering Crypto. And if you'll just give me a second, let me share. I'm starting to get it figured out a little bit with how it works with XSplit, but it doesn't always let me see my stream. Oh, you see? There's me talking. I love it. I see it every time. It doesn't always let me share my stream the right way. So I'm just going to share it to my page. This is one of the ways, if you are interested. If you are interested in coming and hanging out, this is where you can see when I'm posting it. So let's go over some stuff. So first thing, this morning, VRA. Now this is a coin that you can grab on Veracity. You can grab this on KuCoin. That's where I grabbed it. So this is what happened last night into today. So I was following this guy. I was charting it. I usually don't like to just jump into trades, right, that are kind of iffy. Like every once in a while, I'll see something like this and I'll go, you know what? I'm just gonna throw some money at it. Nothing like margins or leverage or anything like that. But VRA had this little breakout. Okay, so we have this tunnel going. We even have a reverse head and shoulders. And I was like, you know what? If it's gonna break out of this tunnel here, maybe it'll keep going. But basically, guys, it just didn't. Doesn't mean I'm gonna sell it. I'm still gonna hold on to it. But what happened is all I'm really gonna do. I'm actually going to even get rid of this. I'm just going to move the plane. Remember, you can do that whenever you want. You can just move the plane. If in order for it to be a breakout of this, it would have to be something pretty substantial to really bust out of there. But it was like 4 in the morning, and I just was like, I'm going to throw some money at it. And I think I lost 10 bucks. I didn't sell it yet. Hopefully it gets over 72. Or I should say, I'm sorry. Hopefully it gets over 8. Just make a couple dollars. Who cares? Here and there, once in a while, I just like to do that by chance. Why not? Most of the time, I do not play that way. I play very defensive. I've mentioned that a lot. Okay, let's go into some other stuff. SHIB. I'm sure everybody's sick of hearing about SHIB. We got to go over it, man. We got to go over these movers and shakers. Here we go. So let's go over some SHIB. Let's get in there a little bit closer. Look at this mess. It's like pickup sticks. I'm sure a lot of you are not maybe old enough to remember pickup sticks, but look at this. It's like pickup sticks. So what I'm going to do, we are going to banish this. We are going to start new on SHIB. Let's just do a quick chart. Let's just do a quick something new. Here we go. So let's back all the way out. And again, let's just see where we're at now. So what are we on? We are on, SHIB is still on an uptrend. SHIB has been a tanker truck that is destroying everything in its path. And I love it because it's made me a few bucks. It is up 465% since the last week of September. Basically, actually, I think the first week of October, maybe midweek that week. Let's see, I had started to pump on the 3rd. So, man, bad boy is still moving. It's still doing really well. There's SHIB. going to be checking that out in a bit. I want to go over Ethereum again. By the way, anybody that hasn't been part of the channel or hasn't, ooh, that looks good, who hasn't been with us for too long, if you are a member, you are more than welcome to come into the channel, and you are allowed, I can speak English, you are allowed to ask me for any type of charting for your chart. If you've got a chart that you want charted, if you want mine or the room's opinion, because that's what we do. We help each other en masse. So if you want mine opinion on the chart, if you want mine and the room opinions on a certain coin, come in the room, come live, or join Conquering Crypto. Come and see us and start talking about it. Anybody's allowed to write up a comment. Anybody's allowed to do any of that stuff. And boom, we can start to talk about it. We're going to get into a little bit of stocks today too. Stocks is something I'm jumping back into a little bit more of. I'm really a fan of coin, but I am also a fan of stocks. I did stocks for years and years and years and years, and then I stopped, and now I do coin, but I want to do some stocks again. Why not? Okay, so Ethereum. See this area to watch that I still have there? We are on a perfect angled uptrend still, and we are now really directly in between our major resistance and our major support. When we're gonna hit, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, this area to watch, and we can extend it just a little bit, but I'm telling you that could be a thing. Like, I'm thinking when we get up into the squeeze, this is the squeeze, this little piece of pie right here, this is the squeeze. When we get up into that area, I think we could see massive movement. It's possible. Now remember, massive movement can mean bull, it can mean bear. Movement is movement. I at least play defensive. If I'm playing defensive, I don't care necessarily which way it moves because I'm not a holder. If you're an investor, that's a different story. What I do is when I see the movement, I jump into KuCoin futures, or something that does futures or plays with shorts. If you're on the margins, you can do shorts too. So what I'll do is I jump in there, I throw a short order on. The lower it goes, the more you make. That's how shorts work. It's the same thing as longs, but the opposite direction. You make money when it falls. So for me, I don't care either way. I'm happy, I'm happy just putting more in my bag, right? So that's Ethereum. Saitama, we had a member. We have a new member in Conquering Crypto, Denny, my man Dennis. We've been talking a good amount. He had some good info yesterday that if you are in Conquering Crypto, come and join that group. He's got a coin. It's not Saitama. I think it's DIVI. We'll check that out right now. DIVI maybe? So this coin has a tier system. The tier system is if you're holding X amount of coin, FTX, Adam, we'll get to FTX in just a second. Sounds good. I like it. FTX, I'm writing that down right now. We're going to get to FTX next. You got it, Adam. Coming up. Real quick with Divi. So if we go on the website, together, let's take a little journey. Divi, I think I just do like Divi coin. So look, he pointed this out to me, and I was like, what is it? I've never seen anything like it, and it's kind of, where am I going to find it? Come on. Projects, downloads, where was it? I know it's got to be in here somewhere. But basically, because I really want to show you guys. Divi, man. Divi, master node. Damn, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Is this it? Man, where is it? I'm sorry, guys. I had it. Man, I had it to an area where you could just see it. Oh, well. And I don't think Dennis is in here. He's the one that showed it all to me. You know what, guys? Give me just 1 second. Stick with me, because I'm gonna find it for us. I really want you guys to see this, because I've never seen anything like it. And in fact, I made a mistake. Last night I was going over it, and I thought it was way higher than it was, but you know, I'm a dum-dum sometimes. Um, I'm not some genius, but I guess KuCoin was feeding me back the wrong info. I'm gonna blame KuCoin, by the way. I guess it was feeding me the wrong info, or I was looking at the wrong thing, and I thought it was way higher than it was. But hold on, it's coming, it's coming. I see it, it's coming. He gave me the site at one point. Man, come on. I know it was in here. You know what? He gave me the pictures. I'm just gonna post the pictures real quick. Okay. So check this out. It's got this like system. And in the system, sorry. Okay, so in the system, based on what you're holding, okay, based on how much you have, you get like a certain percent of return. So look, let's look at copper. This goes all the way up to diamond. Diamond, I think if you have 10 million, something like that, you get this crazy return. It was something like 5 grand a month if you're holding 30 million. But still, that's great returns. Right now, each one, if you have one divvy, it's 3 cents. Now, I don't know if that's changed. I could look right now. So one divvy is still 3 cents. So we did all this math last night. It was just really cool to look at. Check it out, Divvy, and they have it's called Divvy Wallet or Divvy. I want to give you guys the right info in case you're actually interested. It is Divvy Wallet. Okay, so if you want to check that out, there's real good staking. I'm into staking. I know Denny was into staking. But yeah, definitely give that a look-see, guys. That was pretty cool. I really enjoyed seeing that was something new. I haven't really seen a coin. That's like, if you're holding a certain amount, we give you a certain amount of APR. I haven't seen that. I thought that was really neat. You know, that's pretty cool. I'm down to meet like Copper and make an extra 40 bucks a month or whatever, and I'll hold the coin. Why not? Okay, Sir Adam, why don't we go over FTX, my friend? How are you, man? Or was it FTX? I'm sorry. I think... Yeah, hold on. FTX? My bad, dude. We will get there for you, my friend. Okay. Have I done FTX? Adam, have you asked me to do FTX before? Is that something we've talked about? Yo, am I stupid? What is happening here? What? Good. Just what? Where is FTX? What is FTX stock? What am I missing? Which FTX is it, Adam? I'm trying to find it. Is it? I see FTT. It's crypto for baseball. Crypto for baseball. Oh, I don't know what that is then. I have no idea what that is. So you know what? We're gonna check that out now. I have no idea what you're talking about. FTX crypto baseball? So what is it? Oh, you know what? I did hear about this. That's right. I did hear something about this. Good call. So what is it exactly? MTN Crypto Exchange Partner. Here, I'll let you guys check it out a little bit with me here. FTX Trading Limited, West Realms, owners operate, blah, blah, blah. So is it, do you know what it's going to be, Adam? Do you know if it's going to be something that we can buy? Is it a coin? I remember reading this. Is it old? Not real old. Say June. I remember reading something about this a couple months ago. That's really funny you mention it. With FTX. Oh wait, is FTX maybe is it an exchange? I really want to know now. Well, that's something we're gonna have to check out. I wish I had more of an opinion on it. It's fairly new. Is FTX FTX exchange? Is it an exchange? Okay, so is it... Aha! Close. So is it their partnership maybe with an exchange? Like Major League Baseball is now... There's an exchange and a token. So I'm guessing that the token is on FTX. I mean, that would make the most sense. I still don't see the token. Adam, if you know where the token is, maybe share it in Conquering or even send me a DM. I can't find the actual token itself. Something just scrolled the screen and said FTX token here, but I can't click anything. Maybe it's involved with just the NFTs? Yeah, look at all this. So maybe it's just NFT specific? Cool, man. So I want to get into NFTs. I have members who have become friends, and the NFT stuff, listen, if you're not in NFTs, learn. Getting into NFTs now is like getting into crypto 10 years ago, okay? Seriously. Check out NFTs, learn about them. Buying and selling those, I have buddies now that make a killing. I want to learn. I will learn, okay? That's the attitude I'm having, and I know you can learn too, especially if you're a Conquering Crypto member. You can learn this stuff, okay? Trust me. I'll look at it, but been trying to find it. Texas has restrictive crypto laws. Well, I thought Texas was now the place to be. Like I don't think their laws are strict. I thought it was the opposite. I thought Texas had all the best. I thought Texas was the place to be. I thought everybody's moving to Texas. Texas poised to be the world leader in Bitcoin. China's miners move is to Texas. Which states are most popular? I'm pretty sure it's Texas. You're in Texas, right? So wait a minute. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait, whoa. Hold the phone, bro. You're telling me you have difficulty with coin, and I think you're in Texas, right? So wait, what's the deal? Why crypto cowboys are fleeing to Texas? What's the deal? We're gonna have to get on this more. This is something we're gonna have to discuss more in the group. We can't even get on Binance. Well, wait a minute. You can't get on Binance. Have you tried to get on Binance US? No. In the US, you can't get on a bunch of exchanges, bro. They lock you out. Like if you try to get on Binance, you can't. But we use Binance US. I don't know if you knew that. And we can use a whole other different versions of exchanges. What? Are you serious? How? Why? That's part of... Are you kidding me? What? You're laying down... Binance not allowed in Texas at all. Whoa! Binance US Texas. I can't even... Connecticut? Oh, it's like very specific. Okay, well, so this is saying it's not available in Connecticut, Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, New York, Texas, or Vermont. So, man, dude, I thought Texas was going to be the next, funny enough, Wild West of coin, and here we go, and they're still not, you still can't do certain things. You know, that's something I'm going to have to listen to do with. And I have the same issues running on exchanges. Well, so, wow. You're really enlightening me, and I really appreciate that. This is good stuff. I really appreciate you telling me this. I might be involved in business with somebody relatively soon, and one of our partners is in Texas. I need to know this kind of info. Like, I want to consume this info. That's really good stuff, man. Wow. So he's saying the governor is anti-crypto. I didn't know that. I thought they were all pulling in. I thought they were going, you get a crypto, and you get a crypto. Do you want to open a mining facility here in Texas? We'll give you a mining facility. We'll give you a plot of land. We'll give you a bull. We'll give you a bear. We'll give you this stuff. So this is driving me nuts, man. I actually want to look into this more. Wow. Well, cool. Oh, there's my Brett. There's my baby boy. And KuCoin, as you know, is my favorite, okay? That's my favorite. That's my boy. But Brett, I didn't know all this stuff about Texas. This is crazy, man. I didn't know that they had, like, actual restrictions when they're trying to be the coin capital of the U.S. This is blowing my mind a little bit. You have to excuse me for my my genuine interest in this. Okay, so listen, I'm loving this combo. These are Conquering Crypto members, by the way. If you want to join us, come to Facebook, join us, make posts. We all talk together. Adam is saying he's using a VPN in order to access his I guess exchanges, probably, and you should be using a VPN too. It protects you. I personally use CyberGhost. Okay, VPNs save you online. They keep you protected. They hide you while you're online. And why is that important? Because you're always being spied on. Things are, you know, advertising groups, government, whatever it is. Keep yourself hidden. That's your right as an American to enjoy your privacy. You understand? Get a VPN. I don't want to go off on that topic. Let's go over a little bit more coin because we're 20 minutes in. Before I continue, gentlemen, is there any other, real quick, there's just a little bit of coin that I wanted to go into, but if there's anything you guys want to go into, because I love hearing about members. I learn more, and I'm being dead serious, I learn more from what my members tell me than I do researching myself. So like, I will research all kinds of stuff, but literally I've been in this room talking with Adam for like 10 minutes, and I just learned new stuff about Texas. I just learned let's see, I just learned a little bit about the Divi. I just learned about FTX. My point is I'm really interested in what you guys have to say, because I learned that way, and then I can spread that info. Let's continue about FTX in the group. I love it. Adam, I appreciate you, man. Come join us anytime, as always. You, I've known you for so long. You just keep coming back and giving me the good stuff, and thank you for that info. You want to check out DAG? Let's check out DAG. I got some other stuff I want to go over. Saitama, Rune 1. I want to go over Matic and Sol. So, man, let's blow through some stuff because I've been enjoying this way too much. I've been trying to keep my videos under 30 minutes. I guess it's not a big deal. People can bounce around, but I feel like I'm bogging it down. I don't know. I don't know how interesting I actually am. But let's go over DAG. You want some DAG, brother? Let's get some DAG on. I'm guessing that's a coin. All right. So, I don't know anything about DAG, by the way. Or at least not much, and that's Constellation. I have heard of it before. I haven't actually like charted it. So, let's live chart it. First things first, what do we go over? Trends. Where are we? What is DAG doing? Okay. I got a new microphone, by the way. I don't know if I sound a little different. Do I sound a little bit cooler or not cooler? Do I sound as doofy as I usually sound? Anyway, I got a new mic. I get a new video camera or webcam soon. I'm excited. Anyway, this is an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend with DAG. If we wanted to, we could actually put it inside of a tunnel. But I'm gonna say, is that a wick? Is that a wick I see? John Wick, is that you? That looks like a wick, right? Yeah, so what I typically do, and I try to tell others when it comes to charting with wicks, count them and don't count them. Don't count them out, because you never know. Price did reach there. Sometimes you don't know. Sometimes it's because of news. Sometimes it's because of a jump. Sometimes it's because of a big buy or sell. You don't know, but the fact of the matter is that price got there, but only stayed there for a short amount of time. Count it. So we're going to count it. But what we're going to do is, like I always show everybody, is we're just going to make it secondary. Okay? If that comes into light later on, great. So DAG is just on an uptrend. It's in a basic tunnel. It's something we need to watch. This is not anything crazy is going on right now. It's worth 22 cents. Yeah, this looks like a good uptrend, and it should continue. There it is. That's DAG. Not too much more than I know about it. Constellation is the name of it. If you guys want to check it out, you can check it out in our room at Conquering Crypto, or of course you can do more research on your own. I'll probably check it out. I'm actually writing down DAG as part of my homework. Thank you for that, Brett. I do want to go over Saitama. So this is something that I checked out with a new member, Denny, and he says it's exploding and you might want to jump on into it. Brett, if you haven't heard of this one, Denny says this is a good one. Actually, it's doing really well. Look at this spike, man. So ever since September, oh, funny enough, I already tracked it, but it's even higher now. Look at this percentage, my man. Guys, look at that. 14 1,000% September. Okay? Okay? That means if you had $1 of Saitama in September, that means today that dollar is worth over $14,000. Okay? That's what 14,000% means. Got it? That's a high percentage. It's still doing great. This isn't a breakout. Okay? All we're doing is we're moving the goalposts. Okay? Let's remember that. This isn't something that we go, "Oh, that was a breakout." When we don't have specific points. Okay? Because this is what I call a teeter-totter point. Okay, this is a teeter-totter here. In other words, it's just a point. When we have a point, it's just an uptrend. The only reason that we have a backing and a tunnel is because we have a tail. And that tail did nothing for a long time. Little bit of a jump. But that it's, you know, you count it, but you don't overly count it. In other words, you keep it in mind. Okay, let's move on. I want to go over Rune. Rune is something I checked out recently. So, oh, look what happened. Look what happened. So, this is interesting. Well, interesting and not interesting, I guess, at the same time. Interesting to me. So, I drew this the other day. Yeah, man. Brett, if you're talking about Saitama and that chart, check it out because I want to get into it too. It's a Dex. Dex only. Okay. Rune. So, let's take a look at Rune, guys. Rune came out in September of 2020. I've been charting it the last couple days. As you can see, I was giving examples of what might happen. The circle, as always, is my area to watch. So, of course, I have my area to watch at the point of the triangle. And as you can see, it broke out. Here's the deal. Since it broke out before the point of being squished, before the squeeze. This would be the squeeze, by the way. The squeeze is where major price action happens, or at least you can expect it to happen. So all we're doing, it's not that exciting. Wish it was. It's kind of the same thing that I dealt with on the other one that I was playing with this morning. VRA. I was playing with that this morning, and it's kind of doing the same thing. So what do we do? What do we do here? Because we have a little bit of a breakout. This is breakout. No, it's not a breakout. What it is we now move the goalposts. That's all it is. That's it. No big deal. We're going to continue. I want to take a look at Matic. And as always, I wanted to say thank you guys for joining me. I really do enjoy the company. I enjoy talking about this stuff. There are so many passionate people and really good people in coin. I've met a lot of really good people, and I just want to say thank you for you. You guys help me. I'm glad I can share my little corner of crypto with you guys, but you guys are friggin' awesome. I really appreciate you. Oh, so I think I had a projection that might hit. Whoa. I think that is a projection. Look at this. Look at this projection that I had. I know there's a lot of crap in here, guys. I'm sorry. Let me get this out of the way. Look at this. Look at this. My projection is actually... Go figure. My projection's coming true, guys. Go figure. It never happens. Look at this. Look at this. So this is how I get my projections. Look at this. I drew this up probably at the end of September. Now, I think I hit whatever I was supposed to hit. Maybe. You know what? I really don't remember. I'm not going to say one way or another. What I am going to say is, wow, look at that. This is how I find my projections, okay? So, we could make... Now, normally what I would do is I would go to my list, okay? I have a list that if you are a Conquering Crypto member, you get my prediction list, okay? You can use it however the hell you want. I don't care. What I would do is I would now go to my prediction list. I'll probably do it after this. I don't want to waste your time. And I would make a prediction that Matic will hit, we'll say 1.9. We'll be a little bit generous. This is looking really good. Let's draw a trend line. So we just have a basic trend, a basic angled trend. Actually, I'm really curious. Not projection. I know it's in here somewhere where I can see the angle. Whatever. The point being is that that's how I get my predictions, by the way. I draw up these special triangles. The triangles give me, let you see like where the coin could be headed. And what I do is I draw out a point from the center, and that's how I get my prediction, my prediction list. And you can do it too. I don't care if you can do it. You should learn how to do it. I don't care. You should be trying to make as much money as I am, okay? Because that's what this is about. Get into this stuff. This is fun. I think this is fun. I don't care if you don't. I enjoy myself, but this is Matic. Matic is looking great. It is on an uptrend. It is going to head to 2 probably. I'm going to have a prediction coming up on Matic in the October list from 1.9. And the last thing I want to go over today is Sol. We're hitting the half-an-hour mark. I apologize for the length of the videos. I know I think it's too long for people, to be honest, but as I always say, you can skip around the video. Skip around and see the coin that you want, the topics you want. So you know what? That's your problem. I'm making long videos. That's your problem. Alright, so let's see where I'm at here. So, look at this. I think I went over this. In Sol. Do you see that circle? See that circle there? That little baby circle? Let's look. Come on. Come with me. Oh, this might be big news for Sol. Look at this. I drew this circle. Okay? And I said the circle is always my area to watch. Look what happened inside the circle. Okay? That's why I draw it. Because that's the area we need to pay attention to. And look what happened. That's a breakout. That's a full breakout. So this is another flagpole. And what's interesting about with Solana right now, the flagpole has gone up to resistance. It did pierce resistance. Piercing is not breaking out. Piercing is piercing. Piercing is how you identify fake outs. You got me? When you see the wick go through the breakout, but all you see is the thin wick, you're in a fake out, my friend. Either get out of the trade, hold, and wait, but understand what you're seeing is possibly not a breakout. You can also hold, because it might re-break out again, but you can also get out of the trade. Never be afraid to get out of the trade, even if you lose 5, 10, 20, 30, even up to $100. If you've got $1,000 on it, and instead of losing that 100 or 200 out of that 1,000, just lose 10 or 20. Reset your trade. Who cares if you just lose a small percentage? Who cares if you lose 1%? Get out. Don't lose more. Some people like to have the diamond hands outlook. Look, there's nothing wrong with having diamond hands. But the diamond hands outlook can also lose you money. And again, just like we were talking about yesterday, you only lost money when you sell, right? You've only gained or lost after you've sold. Don't forget that. When people see like their account's negative 1,000, whatever, you didn't lose that negative 1,000. Okay? That's the current, it's called P&L, profit and loss. You did not lose $1,000. In 2 months, that could be plus 2,000. Wait, hold. You got to have patience if you're going to do this, okay? That's it for me today. I really appreciate you guys hanging out. Monday afternoon. Today is the 25th. I'm glad we went over a bunch of stuff. FTX and baseball. We went over Saitama, Ethereum. We went over DAG from my man Brett. We did a whole bunch of stuff. Went over Matic, got a new prediction, and Solana. I have a Venmo, guys. The Venmo is also under Conquering Crypto. If you guys want to tip me for any of this good information, I will happily take a tip. And in fact, most of the tips given to me go into other operations like metrics or things to help the crypto community as a whole. So I already do well enough of my own. Patting myself on the back. I give back a little bit. I also give to other things. I don't want to talk about all that. We'll get into that another day. But I usually take my tips, and I don't even keep them. I don't care. Me and my wife do well, and that means that I need to give back. I don't want to go off on a tangent. So, Facebook, Conquering Crypto. Find me on TradingView TV, TradingView. I'm losing my mind. Find me on TradingView. That's where I post a lot of my ideas. And Twitter, DeMarco_Danny. I'm your host, DeMarco. Thank you for joining me Monday. We might be back tonight with a little bit more fun, but for now, that is coin, and we didn't get into stock. Oh man, we didn't get into stock. You know what? I apologize about that. I did say we were going to get into some stock stuff. There's just so much coin stuff going on. So maybe I can do stock later on tonight after the market's closed. I apologize. Actually, I really apologize for that because I think, damn, I think a few members wanted to see some stock. DWAC's going crazy with the Trump social media thing, and funds going crazy. Anyway, maybe we'll do that a little bit later. But thank you for joining me, guys. We might do another video tonight, maybe this afternoon, whatever I have time for. Peace out for now, and I will see you on the flippity flip. I'll see you shortly, or come and join us in the Conquering Crypto Facebook.